The sower went out to sow. Some seed fell on the path, and the birds came and ate it up. Some fell on rocky places, where the soil was thin. The plants grew, but in the hot sun they withered and died. Some seed fell among the thorns, which grew up and choked the plants. Still, other seed fell on the good soil, where it produced an abundant crop, a field of believers growing together to the glory of God. Farmers know that good soil takes preparation. They cut trees, haul rocks, and plow the field. They could just scatter the seeds and hope for the best, but best results come through preparation. Christ's method of ministry prepares soil. Jesus mingled with people. He felt their pain and showed them sympathy. He met their needs and won their confidence. Then they were ready to follow him. Around the world today, thousands of church planters are putting Christ's method of ministry into practice. For best results, farming takes time. So does planting a church. Why church planting? Because it's part of the gospel commission. Because it's how the early church grew, and it's how the Seventh-day Adventist Church has grown. And last, but not least, it works.